These look like little bitty sticks of wood upside what we've been cutting. But we got some help down here today too. Jeff is learning how to cut. That's a good thing. You look at some of them logs over yonder. They are big. These are treated poles that we're making 2x4s out of. They're coming out real good. They're a lot easier to handle than them great big huge logs are too. So unlock that. Flip them over. Bring the cutting head back up here. We'll stand these up on their edge and we'll cut out 2x4s out of them. I appreciate everybody watching. Bye.